In the violet glow of Velurith's twin moons, the Valari stood tall, proud tribes bound by honor, by blood, and by sacred land. The invading human called them predators. They do not lie. They do not kill the helpless. But when outsiders come, with greed and guns they rise with fire in their hearts. The humans came with golden promises garnered in iron fists. But the Valari know this soil, every stone, every breath of wind. They will not be conquered. They will not be deceived. This is not just a battle for survival. This is the song of resistance. This is the cry of Velurith.
In the silence of the violet skies, steel ships tore through our cosmic highs. They came with drills and greed for flame, carving scars, not knowing shame. They saw our world is fuel and stone, but never rest if it was home. To them we're beasts with claws and fangs, but now they'll feel our battles' pangs. We are the fire in the storm, predators born where wild things form. You came for gold, you leave with fear. This is our world, and we're still here. From the shadows, from the sand, we rise to make our final stand. No more hiding, no more chains. We fight with thunder in our veins. We watch your towers choke the trees, our rivers turn to oil seas. But under moon and molten hill, the blood of warriors burns still. With blades of bone and eyes of fire, we light the dark with savage choir. Your armor cracks beneath our screams. This jungle fights with ancient dreams. You called us monsters, soulless brutes, but who mine planets for their roots? We were guardians, not your prey.